Up to the northeast, you can see this high pressure system with a lot of clear skies here in southern Canada. That high pressure expected to move in as those showers continue to push down to the southwest, which means while we have cloudy skies right now, we shouldn't have cloudy skies by this time tomorrow. We'll see that here in our future track forecast as well. Now, our mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies continue not only for this evening, but likely into the overnight hours. If you live in the western edge of Wisconsin tomorrow, you could be waking up with a bit of a gray day. But you can see here across eastern Wisconsin and parts of the central areas, we're looking at sunshine for the start of our Wednesday, the midday of our Wednesday, and the afternoon. So a beautiful, bright day out there tomorrow, and thankfully, it's going to be another day in the upper 70s. Heading into Thursday, much the same, looking at more sunshine than cloud cover, maybe a few wispy clouds, but that's about it. So another beautiful day there, and once again, very, very comfortable for this time of year. One thing to keep in mind is even though it does feel a little bit cooler, you might not feel that sunburn as quickly. It's still looking at a 7 to 8 in our UV index over the next couple of days. So you're still going to want that sunscreen, especially if you're out there for extended periods of time and if you're wearing maybe short sleeves and t-shirts instead of long sleeves. Now we take a look outside. This is our Covantage Credit Union camera, looking fairly gray here across Wausau. Current temperature 77 degrees, feels like temperature of 78 with a wind just 4 miles per hour. Looks like it is mainly in one spot. Our forecast hour by hour for the rest of today in the 70s, eventually dropping down to the 60s by 10 o'clock and then to the 50s tonight. That is still very mild for this time of year, so feeling pretty great out there just to be in some spring-like weather. Tonight we drop down to 50 degrees, partly cloudy and a bit cooler as mentioned, east-northeast winds of 5 to 10 miles per hour. Our forecast tomorrow will be looking like this, a beautiful bluebird day for much of the area, especially in eastern Wisconsin. Temperatures tomorrow 78 degrees, though we might see a couple of 80s popping up in the southern part of the state, east-northeast winds of 10 miles per hour. Our 4-day forecast moving forward shows some more great weather. Now we do eventually heat back up into the 80s briefly here. You can see 78 degrees and sunshine on Thursday, 82 degrees, partly cloudy skies Friday. That does come with a 20% chance of rain late. And our highest chance of rain in the forecast here is going to be falling on Saturday, maybe a few scattered thunderstorms with a high of 79.